Let's go. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my brand new video from none other, as you can see, the city of love. Yeah, we made it to Paris. Unfortunately, it is raining, but that is not gonna stop us from enjoying the trip. This is our fourth stop. We have now gone to 4 countries. We went to Spain, Barcelona, then we went to Portugal, Lisbon, made our way over to England, London, and now we are here in Paris, France, and we are enjoying. We did get here a couple days ago, but yesterday we went to Disney, so that's a separate vlog. If you guys checked it out, a huge shout out to you guys. But today it is day one. We are getting to explore Paris. It is pretty packed here, but who cares? Because we are here to enjoy, explore, and of course, try out all the famous Paris pastries and the famous Paris spots. So shout out to you guys for watching. Thank you for always tuning in. And of course, as always, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna head to have breakfast right now at this famous spot. It's called Carrette. Yeah, and so it just has TikTok viral hot chocolate that everyone gets, and it comes with like whipped cream, and yeah, and I heard it's like a 40-minute wait. So either way, we're doing it because that's why we're here. And then we're gonna head down. We got a lot to do today. Let's go. We are here at the famous TikTok viral Carrette. Ooh, it is packed. Ooh, look at this. Oh man, so this is like what everyone here is getting. So yeah, we're gonna eat it, we're gonna rate it. I might not even rate it. I think I'm just gonna go straight to it. I am not exaggerating. This might be the best hot chocolate I've ever had. This is pretty good. So pour a little bit. Right. I won't overdo it. That's like my 3rd cup. And then what you do is you scoop up some of this whipped cream. Look at that. I'm gonna pour that in here. Give it a nice little stir, and this is pretty good. So we found a perfect picture spot. It looks like people just put their phones right there, and then they get the picture. Or would it be better further one? A further bench, right? Over there? Yeah, I don't know. Either way, it is raining, so yeah, this is pretty cool though. We are here in Paris. Check it out. Pouring rain. So we did stop by the school dog cafe. Got some stuff. With dogs everywhere. Yeah, it was pretty tight in there. But we got some cool Paris stuff for our dog. Le Bonaparte. Pretty cool spot. I think they have dog treats and all types of stuff. Lots of dogs. But we are heading to a burger spot that's supposed to be one of the best burgers in Paris, so I'll be the judge of that. Whose idea was it to go get a burger under this rain? So we changed our plans up. Today we're gonna do more of the indoor stuff. I think the Louvre Museum we'll probably save for tomorrow because we wanted to take pictures in front of it. But yeah, so luckily we got to go to the La Carrette. Amazing. 10 out of 10. I definitely would go back. Yeah, I'd go back one more time. So yeah, we've been just walking, exploring. We got to do our Eiffel Tower pictures. They came out pretty good. A lot of scammers in that area, but just be careful.
Pay, you should pay for a picture.
Yeah, a good tip is if you go on Airbnb experiences, you can look up photographers, highly rated. We were gonna do it, but with this rain, there's just no point. We wanted to do it with sunny. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. This place is poppin'. Check it out. Cool little spot. Very packed. So it looks like they do smash burgers. Not even that pricey. It was pretty good. It was like 32 euro. We got 2 cheeseburgers, 2 orders of fries, and a soda. That's pretty good. The real question, if it's worth the walk under the rain. Hopefully. No, I think so. I like the vibes. Yeah, we did get soaked though. So hopefully it's worth it. Smash burger grilled right in front of us. Very tight, but that'll do it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat this because this is amazing. Woo! So I don't like to say food's 10 out of 10, but that burger, I don't know. I might have to say it's a 10 out of 10. The fries are amazing, crispy. And then the burger, you know, sometimes you eat it like a smash burger like that and you feel super bloated.
Yes.
No, that burger was pretty good. I wanted to take one to go, but we want to have dinner later, so I didn't want to. Yeah, we might have should have just got one here, taken it to the hotel, drop it off so we can eat it later. But yeah, you guys, Dumbo Burger here in Paris. Yeah, Dumbo. I think it's just called Dumbo. Dumbo Smash Burgers or just Dumbo. We're gonna go to this mall, Lafayette something. It's a viral mall. The inside has a giant tree, but we're gonna go there so that we could get out of the rain and then find some stuff around there. Oh, this mall is packed. I mean, this must be like the fashion district of this area because everywhere you go, it is packed. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna try and get to that bridge right there. I don't know how we're gonna do it, but we're going. And yeah, this is packed. So it's actually by reservation that you can go up that. And then it's a glass walk. We screwed up. Other than that, it's a pretty cool place. You just can't see it. Wow, I didn't know. And then yeah, the line is definitely crazy. Not like we came here just for this, but yeah, look at that. It is packed. All right, I didn't know you had to do that. I just saw it on TikTok and maybe I should have read the comments. Ooh, look what I got. It's like a half cookie, half croissant. We're gonna head to the Eiffel Tower right now, but we had to stop here. It came out fresh out the oven too. Ooh. I think it's like chocolate chip cookie. Yeah, you get a mix of chocolate chip plus the cookie. Right now we're gonna head to do the Eiffel Tower boat tour. There it is, the Eiffel Tower at night. So we're actually right now heading to a boat ride. It's about 17 euros. Oh, we should put a lock. No, we should head to the boat before it takes off because it should still be open. So I would imagine the boat's only like an hour. It's definitely the picture spot right here. Hopefully we're going the right way. But how does it look at night? Way better at night, right? There's a party over there. Almost there. All right, we made it. So the goal is we're trying to get a spot. Go, 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 go. All right, we're trying to get a spot right here, right at the edge. Let's see where we can go. Ooh, we got the edge. I saw the TikToks. People get pretty good views. Also, 8:50. We believe at 8:55 it's going to sparkle. One more night in Paris, and then we're out of here. Our trip's coming to an end. It's been how many weeks? No, it's been like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. We went to Barcelona, Spain. Then we went to Lisbon, Portugal. Then we went to London, England. And now we're in Paris. We got one more day here. It's been fun. All right, we're gonna see if we can get the light show. It's finally taking off. Let's go. You going to both sides? Last trip. And we got to see it. Good thing we came. Out of 10, yeah. For 14 euros, yeah, that was pretty good. 17 euros each. Yeah, it was pretty good. You especially if you go onto the top. Yeah, we went onto the top rails. Pretty packed. No, not even. I mean, packed, but you didn't feel crowded.
Yeah.
Aside from when you were getting off the boat. Yeah, that was amazing. So if you're here in Paris, that is a 10 out of 10. And then yeah, now we're just walking to the hotel. And if you notice, there's a lot of people still here. And we did actually do one of the, I mean, I don't even call it a scam because, yeah, so when you leave, there's like 100 people here, photographers trying to take pictures. And yeah, I mean, I don't see it as a scam because it's a better picture than what we took. We've been struggling to get a picture of us too.
14?
No, it was
No,
20,
25.
25. Yeah, so
Four.
we've been struggling here. Let me just show you guys. This is a perfect example. So it was obviously further down there, but there's still some out here. The guys with the balloons, and then they had a full light setup and everything. So yeah, I figured it's better than what we're gonna be able to take of ourselves. And then for, I don't know, 20 bucks, like 25 for like 5 pictures, I ended up giving them 30. Yeah, that's, to me, that's not a scam. I mean, yeah, I don't see it as a scam because the picture's really good. We liked all 4. Obviously, they're gonna haggle with you and try and say, you know, oh, 40 for,
40.
yeah, for like, I think they probably took like 20 pictures, but we didn't like all of them. But maybe that's the scam. But no, he said 4 photos for 25, and we picked 4 really, really good ones, huh? So yeah, that's,
Hello,
hey. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I highly recommend it. This boat
Yeah.
tour was amazing.
That's another tinfoil.
Yeah, so let me show you guys. So here, these are all the angles that people take. They line you up, they take pictures, and yeah, it's pretty good. It was an amazing day. We've been out pretty much all day.
The whole day.
Yeah, we've been out the whole day since Eiffel Tower in the morning. Carete. Yeah, we've just been out all day. It's around 11. We're finally heading to the hotel. Maybe for dinner. Nah. No dinner. But we have one more day. One more day.
I love this day.
And then, yeah,
I really like it.
yeah, pretty good. We are kind of tired though.
Good.
Maybe pass for like a water and a soda.
Yes.
Either way, check you guys out tomorrow.
Starting off Sunday with some breakfast. What we got planned today? Lavore. We're gonna walk around. We're gonna do a lot of stuff, but so far we're starting off right. We are here at Lavore. Last day here, and it is probably the coldest day. Yeah, we went back after eating to put on more jackets. I put on another sweater. But we are gonna go in there right now. We got 4:30 tickets. And it's the last day here, so
Hopefully it doesn't rain. It doesn't rain.
it does not look like it's gonna rain. But here, check it out. Yeah, this is pretty cool. The famous Lavore Museum, where Mona Lisa's at. I hear the Mona Lisa's pretty packed though, so I don't know. Like you make lines, like yeah, there's like 1,000 people in front of it, and you'll get a glimpse of it for like 2 seconds. But yeah, this is it. Woo, we're going in.
Let's go. We're in here. Check it out. Got some crazy stuff here. The headless angel. What is that? This is what we are here for. I mean, the ceilings are crazy. Yeah, too bad this doesn't do it justice, but that's pretty cool. Here we are, the Mona Lisa. All right, I'm gonna try and get a picture on my phone real quick. Oh, there it is. Let's see if I can zoom in on this.
No.
All right. After seeing it in person, how does it feel?
Overwhelming.
Yeah.
Exciting here.
This is the closest you can get, like right here. But it's still pretty cool. The camera doesn't do it justice. Can't get really closer than this. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Once in a lifetime. There you go.
Okay.
And that was the truth about the Mona Lisa. Yeah, you got hundreds and hundreds of people in there. You get pretty close, nothing crazy, obviously, because I don't want people touching it, but there you go. Mona Lisa, true art. It spoke to me.
Room is pretty cool.
All right, guys, checking into the hotel.
All right, guys, as you can see, I am at the airport. Unfortunately, I did get a little bit sick yesterday, a little under the weather. As you can probably tell, I'm still feeling it. It's not the worst. I got way better. We were there for like 3 hours, so we did see quite a bit. Then we went to go get half dinner, but I wasn't feeling too good, so it was already getting late, and we had to pack for an early flight. So yeah, I ended up just cutting it short, and I didn't want to record anymore because I wasn't feeling too good. Either way, that is the end of our Europe tour. It was an amazing trip. Paris, yeah, did not disappoint. Seeing the Eiffel Tower sparkle at night, and all the treats we tried, all the Paris amazing stuff, seeing Notre Dame and all that was just truly amazing. I'm glad I got to experience it with my wife, and I can't wait for the next time we are back. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching while I went to these 4 countries. It was an amazing experience. We were gone for a couple weeks, but now it is time to head home and get back to normal life. As always, guys, huge shout out to you guys who did watch. Thank you for tuning in. It was fun making these vlogs, editing and doing all of that. So huge shout out to you guys for tuning in. As always, like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. And let's go.